let's jump into calendar. The month is December. Yesterday was December 2nd. If yesterday was the 2nd, then today is December 3rd. Let's fill in our date. 12/3 for December 3rd, 2020. December 3rd, 2020. I know that today is Thursday. That makes yesterday Wednesday, and tomorrow will be my favorite day, Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 44 days. 44 plus one more is 45. So we've been at school 45 days. Oh, whoops. Hold on. It's really 46. What was I thinking? What was I thinking, friends? 46. Now we're looking better. All right, so let's make 46. Ready? Let's do 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. 46 cents. Know these words and know them fast. I, does, you, do, or, from. Our number is 282. Look at your ones place. You have a 2. Does that make this number even or odd? It makes the number even. So 282 is an even number. So 282, then we would have 283, 284, 285, 286. Now go backwards. 286, 285, 284, 283, 282, and 281. All right, our number is 313. Go to your hundreds place and take 100 away. What would you have? 213. Go to your hundreds place, add one more 100. And what would you have? 413. Our two numbers today are 65 and 993. So we would read this as 65 is less than 993.